2 seconds. That's all it takes for a 777X to go from taxi to takeoff. But in 2024, Boeing couldn't even get it off the ground. Not because of a faulty engine. Not because of a strike. But because the FAA said, not yet. And with $56 billion in orders on the line, every day of delay costs airlines millions. Welcome to the certification nightmare that could define Boeing's future. This isn't just another plane. The 777X is Boeing's largest twin-engine jet ever. Emirates alone ordered 150 of them, worth $50 billion at list prices. Lufthansa, Qatar Airways, Cathay Pacific, they're all waiting. And they're not happy. Tim Clark, Emirates boss, called the delays embarrassing. Why? Because Boeing promised first delivery in 2020. It's now 2025. That's 5 years late. And the FAA just pushed the certification target to 2026. If Boeing misses that, airlines may start canceling orders. That's not just a delay, it's a crisis. So how did we get here? Let's rewind. In 2013, Boeing announced the 777X with huge fanfare. It promised 12% better fuel efficiency than the 777-300ER, thanks to new GE9X engines and folding wingtips. The wingspan would be 235 feet, too wide for most airport gates. So they designed wingtips that fold up after landing. Cool, right? But that folding mechanism became a regulatory headache. The FAA demanded extra testing to prove it wouldn't fail mid-flight. That was just the start. Then came the GE9X engine. The largest jet engine ever built. It delivered 105,000 pounds of thrust. But during testing in 2019, a critical component, the compressor stator, failed. Boeing had to redesign it. That pushed the first flight from 2019 to 2020. Then COVID hit. Then more issues, a software glitch in the flight control system, a problem with the tail section. By 2023, Boeing had flown 4 test aircraft for over 3,500 hours. But the FAA wasn't satisfied. Meanwhile, Boeing's reputation was in shambles. The 737 MAX crashes killed 346 people. The FAA tightened oversight. Every new Boeing model now faces extra scrutiny. The 777X certification became a symbol of that. In 2024, the FAA demanded Boeing fix a non-compliance issue with the flight deck design. Then they asked for more data on the wingtip folding system during extreme maneuvers. Then they wanted a new analysis of the composite fuselage. Each request added months. By early 2025, Boeing was burning cash. The 777X program had cost over $10 billion in development. They had 540 orders, but cancellations were mounting. Etihad canceled 25 orders. Hong Kong's Cathay Pacific deferred deliveries. Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun admitted the company was at a crossroads. Then came the whistleblower. An engineer claimed the 777XS fuselage could crack under stress. Boeing denied it, but the FAA launched an investigation. That's where we are now. But here's the thing, the 777X is still an engineering marvel. When it finally flies, it will be the most efficient long-haul jet ever. Airlines need it, fuel prices are soaring, and the 777X burns 20% less fuel than its predecessor. The folding wingtips? They'll allow it to use existing gates. The GE9X engine? It's already the quietest in its class. If Boeing can get certification by 2026, the 777X could still dominate the market. But if they fail, the consequences are dire. The bigger lesson? Certification isn't just paperwork. It's trust. Boeing broke that trust with the MAX. Now they have to earn it back, one test flight at a time. For the 777X, 2026 isn't a deadline, it's a lifeline. Miss it, and Boeing's future looks very different. If you want to understand why Airbus is winning the duopoly, hit subscribe. Because in 2026, the battle for the skies will be decided. And Boeing is running out of time.